Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the ICT Technocrats. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to get Kali Linux on your MacBook. So now just go on Google, I won't waste much of your time, I'll just go straight into it. So just go on Google and type in Kali Linux download. Now the first link, which is get Kali from kali.org, that's the one you click on. So you click on that link and then you take you to this website. Now this website is where you can download different versions of Kali Linux. Not different versions, but more like different types. You know, like the one you can boot on USB, the one on a cloud, the one you and the other one where you can get it on your on your actual computer. You know, and there's also the one we call Net Hunter, which you can get on your phone. I'm sure I made a video on that. So now finally found this Kali. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? All right, it's right here. So now there are two different versions of this. There's the x84-64, which is the Intel version, and then the Apple Silicon version. So now my MacBook is an Intel, so I'll be downloading the Intel version of Kali. So I'll just go there and click install on the download icon, which the one that's next to the 4.4G. Alright, so now it started downloading. So now all you have to do is just wait until it's finished downloading. Now once it's doing this, you have to go do something else. So we have to go look for something called UTM. Now UTM is a virtual machine. It's an application that allows you to run virtual machines on your MacBook. You know, you can run Windows on your MacBook. You can run Kali Linux on your MacBook. You can run just different, different operating systems on your MacBook. That's what UTM does. So just go there and click download. Alright, now start downloading. So once it started downloading, you can see right there. Alright, so now we have officially downloaded UTM in our MacBook. So from now, you can just open UTM. You can see UTM, the one with the square little icon. Just click on that one. And once you open it, you'll see something like this. Welcome to UTM. Create a new virtual machine. Browse UTM and user guide and a bunch of other stuff. So just click on the create UTM. Virtualize. Click on virtualize. Click on Linux since we're about to virtualize a Kali Linux machine. And then click on browse. And now when you click on browse, just go straight into clicking go and select the file, the Kali Linux file that we downloaded from kali.org. Open it and then continue. Now once that's done, just allocate maybe about 8 GB, 8 GB, and then CPU cores will be about 2 because I don't want it to run too much on my Mac, and then continue. Now I'll allocate about 40 GB to the drive. 40 GB, and then continue. So from there, just click on browse. Now select the shared directory. So for me, my shared directory will be the desktop. So from there, just, you can see it's desktop, and then continue. Now I'll change the name of the machine from Linux to Kali Linux. So change the name to Kali Linux, and then open VM settings. So you can see all these we've selected, verified, and then save. Now you can see these are the VM settings. So this is where you basically go to change settings depending on your system requirements. You can see QEMU, input, and a bunch of other stuff, IDE drive, and all that stuff. Just click save. Now once you click save, click on the play button. Just go directly into clicking the play button. Alright, so now after you click the play button, you will see something like this. So there are a bunch of options like graphical install, advanced options. So just go straight into clicking the graphical install. So now you can see there's also accessible dark contrast installer menu, and there's also the install with speech synthesis. So just go click graphical install. Now you see this where they prompt you to select the language. So for me, my language is English. Click enter. Area, United States. Click enter on that one, or just click enter on whichever area you're from. Then configure to keyboard American English. So from here to start downloading, it will take some time, about a few minutes or so. Now after this, you see host names. So just click Kali. Oh, it's invalid. Let me try something else. Let me try Kali Linux. Alright. Domain name will be Kali, and then full name, I'll click ICT, the ICT Technocrat. From there, just type in a password, any password to your Kali Linux machine, enter, and then your time zone, or your time zone. So for me, my time zone, also whichever time zone you're from, just click on that one. My time zone is the Eastern, so just go there and click enter. Alright, enter. So now from there it will start loading. Once you click enter, it will start loading. Alright, so it will take some time, so I'll just speed up this process, fast forward. Alright, so now from there you click guided use entire disk. So click the first option and then click enter again, and then from there you click on the all files in one partition, click enter. From there click on finish partition, and then from here click yes. Just go there and click yes. Need to load for some time, and then after that just chill, to take some time, but just be patient. Go drink some coffee or whatever, make some tea. It will take quite some time. Yeah, to take quite some time. So now once it's done, alright, so once it's done, to bring you this prompt saying choose the software to install. So this is where you basically pick which software to install, whether you want the Kali Linux with few tools, or you want the full version of Kali Linux, or maybe you want the top 10 most popular tools, or a bunch of other stuff. So for me, I just go there and click continue. I just left it like that, just click continue. So now you wait again to take some time, but just wait. Take a chill pill or do whatever, go do something while it's downloading. So once that's done, then it will bring something saying finishing on the loading. It will write something saying finishing the installation. Now once it's done, once the installation is done, it will bring you this. So back to the first thing we saw, the first with you remember this, of course, I'm sure you remember this, the first thing. So after this, now I want you to close your virtual machine. So go straight into the power button for the virtual machine, and then confirmation, click OK. Alright, now close UTM, just shut down UTM. Now reopen UTM, go on the CD//DVD, click on clear, and then click on the play button for UTM. Just go there and click on play. Oh, sorry, yeah, click on play. Alright, so now after this it should bring you, this same graphical. So just click on enter, the first one for Kali Linux, just click enter. And then from there, increase the brightness a bit. Alright, now it's brought you to a Kali Linux login form. So just click the default username, which is root, and then the password I entered that time, the password I set, and then just wait for a few seconds, and boom! We officially have Kali Linux running on our MacBook. So you can see the thousands of tools that we can use to do penetration testing, brute force, and everything like that. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great one.